Welcome to DK Success Quiz Time. Get ready to challenge your brain with exciting quizzes. Before we start, if you truly love Allah, hit that subscribe button. If not, simply reject the offer.
iPhone or Android? Football or basketball? Comment "I love God" or reject the offer. Eat only sweet food or eat only spicy food? Watch a horror movie or watch a comedy movie? Always live alone or always live with others? To spend the night in this haunted house or marry the first person who appears when you click on share and then more? Gym, workout, or outdoor run? Who is his ex? In the picture, you can see 3 mutated women, but one of them is the ex-girlfriend of the man on the left. Now, you need to use your wits to find her. This is a visual riddle that tests your logical thinking ability. Only 1% of smart people can answer it correctly. Do you think you're smart? Come and prove yourself. But if you really don't know the answer, watch the video and wait for me to reveal it. I guarantee you'll be very surprised when you know the answer. Next, you have 10 seconds to observe. The rule is that you can't cheat or look at the comment section in advance. Otherwise, you'll fail the challenge. Now get ready. Start timing. Okay, time's up. I'm now going to announce the correct answer. B is his ex. Do you know why? Because their clothes are couples' outfits. So, did you guess correctly? Angela White or Lana Rhoades? Riley Reid or Mia Khalifa? Comment "I love God" or reject the offer and get 5 years of bad luck. Lunastar or Mia Malkova? Never have children or have children with the first person that pops up when you click share and more? Have this spider crawl on you in your sleep or save this video and save yourself from the spider? Lose your pet forever or like this video to protect your pet? Elsa Jean or Abella Danger? Follow for more Would You Rather videos.